Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any PDF into an editable Excel spreadsheet on your Mac using iLovePDF. No downloads or installs required. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to ilovepdf.com/pdf to Excel. I'll leave the website link in the description. Once the page loads, click Select PDF File and choose the PDF you want to convert. You'll see a blue progress bar as your file uploads. Feel free to stretch your legs while it processes. When the upload finishes, iLovePDF will take you to the Convert to Excel view. Here you can choose your layout. One sheet will place all tables onto a single spreadsheet tab, while multiple sheets will create a separate tab for each table detected. Pick the option that best fits your needs, then click Convert to Excel. In just a few seconds, your PDF will be transformed into an Excel file. A Download Excel button will appear. Click it, and your new spreadsheet will save to your Downloads folder. Open it in Microsoft Excel or Numbers to check that all your tables, text, and formatting came through perfectly. If you ever need an alternative, Small PDF also offers a free online PDF to Excel converter at smallpdf.com/pdf to Excel. Just upload, choose your conversion settings, and download the .xlsx, same as before. And that's all there is to it. Fast, free, and entirely online. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Mac tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.